Hello property office employees. Today I'm going to teach you how to add pictures into the library catalog website and then paste that URL into web checkout so that we can have pictures of the instruments that we are working with so we can find them a lot easier. So first we're going to pull up an instrument in web checkout. I've pulled up alto saxophone 520. And after that we're going to pull up the library's website. You'll do that by going to content.byui.edu and it will pull up this page. How you get to the music department's page, you go down in this bar and you go down to music department instrument inventory. It takes a little while to load, so I'm not going to do that for this video, but just be patient while things are loading and it'll eventually pop up. So these are all of our instruments that have already been done. They were done back in 2014, so as an office we're going to have to go back in and update everything and make sure that we have these things and that these are decent pictures of them all. For this video I'm going to be working with a saxophone. So when you pull up a page, it's going to show if it's already in the system, the call number, the instrument family, type, and then whatever pictures we've added. To edit or add any other pictures, we're going to go down to edit this version under actions, and under here we can edit its name and everything, and we can add a resource, which will probably be a picture. Now when you take a picture on the camera that we have rented from the library, you're going to take out its SD, stick it in our USB SD card reader in the back. Do it right. Yeah. So put it in like that, and then you're going to stick it in the tower. Do that right now. Put something in backwards and then forwards and then backwards and then it works the final time. Okay. Alright, so I've put it in. I'm going to click add resource, and then I'm going to go to browse. I'm going to go over to the camera on this side, click the camera folder. It's going to be under this one, and this is the picture that I have taken of the saxophone. I've already renamed it, so when you take a picture it's going to come up with a random number. You're going to rename it with the call number of the instrument, and then the date. So do that and then upload it into our website, and then just after you're done you hit next and then save. So now I have added in another picture to our saxophone inventory list, and after that you just want to go up to the top and hit save. And there we are, and we can see each saxophone picture. So what we want for each instrument is one of the number of the instrument, a front side, and a back side of the saxophone. And then whatever else might be helpful. So that's pretty much what you want to do for that. We're going to go back to the beginning and learn how to add an instrument now. So to add an instrument, we're going to go to contribute. And after we've hit contribute, we can add in an instrument's name. So if I were to be doing this for this saxophone originally, I would have said it's a Selmer alto saxophone. So Selmer alto saxophone, its call number is 520. instrument family. It is nope, it's not a methods instrument, it's just a woodwind. And then attachments, this is where you would add in your photos from your camera. So that's how you do that. Then you just hit save. I'm going to toss this because we already have one of this instrument. So that is how you do that. And then once you have all of that for each instrument, I'm going to go back into the music department. It's going to take a minute. Once we're done with each instrument, you just take the URL and go to an instrument, and in its specifications you're going to scroll down to the URL. That's one that I've already pasted in, but you'll put the URL in, copy and paste it in. Yeah, so you'll just go to the instrument profile, take the URL, copy it, and paste it into the slot where it goes, and then hit the green save button. That part's really important. If it doesn't pop up green like that after you save it, it isn't saved. So make sure that it's saved. So that's pretty much it. Just taking pictures and copying things into the URL for web checkout. Good luck, and if you have any questions, text me.